হ্যালো। সো আমার এই চ্যানেল আশা করি সবাইকে ভালো লাগছে। আজকে আমরা টেক্সট বুক আলোচনা করব না, আজকে একটা গ্রামারের একটা পার্ট আমরা আলোচনা করব। এবং আজকের এই ক্লাসটা শুধুমাত্র ক্লাসের জন্য নয়, এবং এর বাইরে যে সমস্ত ছেলেমেয়েরা আমাদের কম্পিটিটিভ পরীক্ষার জন্য প্রস্তুতি নিচ্ছে তাদেরও আশা করি উপকারে লাগবে। এবং আমাদের বিশেষ করে কিছু ছেলেমেয়ের ইংরেজি প্রতি যে ভীতি, যে তারা বুঝতে পারে না কোন জায়গাটা কি করতে হবে, তো এই ভিডিওটা যদি কমপ্লিট দেখা হয় তাহলে আমি আশা করছি যে তাদের এই ভীতি ব্যাপারটা পুরোপুরিভাবে কেটে যাবে। এবং এই যে চ্যানেলটা আমার আছে মাই ইংলিশ বুক, এই চ্যানেলটি যদি ভালো লেগে থাকে আপনাদের অতি অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন এবং লাইক বাটনে লাইক দেবেন, যাতে করে আমি আরও বেশি বেশি করে ভিডিও তৈরি করতে পারি এবং সবার সঙ্গে আমরা যোগাযোগ রাখতে পারি। তো আজকে যে ক্লাসটা আমি করতে চলেছি সেটা সবারই খুব নোন একটা ক্লাস, আর্টিকেল। ওকে, আর্টিকেল। সো আর্টিকেল যখনই আমরা আলোচনা করতে যাব, আমি ক্লাসটা বাংলা এবং ইংলিশ বোথ করার চেষ্টা করব, যাতে number of students can understand what I am trying to say. Okay, so when we put article, now article used before noun, article used before noun, any type of noun, then we use article before it. Okay, so and there's two types of articles are there. What are they? One is sorry, indefinite article, and number two is definite. Okay, a or an is your indefinite article and the is your definite article. So when we put a or an, any type of singular countable noun, so before singular countable noun you use indefinite article. So before singular countable noun you use indefinite article a or an. The before either it's a singular or plural, okay, countable or uncountable, you use definite article the. এরপরে আমরা যেটা আলোচনাতে যাব, যে আমরা a or an কিভাবে ব্যবহার করব বা কখন কখন এটাকে আমরা ব্যবহার করব। সো মনে রাখবে একটা জিনিস, ইন ইংলিশ সাউন্ড ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট। ইউ আর নট কনসিডারিং a e i o u, you just only focused, your main focus is on sound. So two types of sounds, one is vowel sound and number two is consonant sound. Okay, so vowel sounds are a e i o u and rest of the letters are consonant sound. Okay, so when you just suppose I give you an word, okay, so what is your, suppose I give you umbrella and number is your orange, okay, and number 3 1 rupee. Okay, so when you consider you here, and also I give you another example, useful. So when you consider U here, so here U, the sound is your, here sound is vowel. So when the sound is vowel, here put before it N. So before vowel sound you have to use N. And if, again orange, so orange is your vowel sound, so you use N. But here O is there, here is also O, here is also O. But here O is your vowel sound. But in this word O, you are not using a vowel sound, it's a consonant sound. One, W is there, one. So not vowel sound, it's consonant sound. So if it is consonant sound, then you use A before it. So A1 rupee note. In the same way, useful. Here U is not using, or its sound is not vowel sound. Its sound is a consonant sound. So you have to use A useful animal. So this is the main criteria. Okay, so don't panic. Only remember two sounds are there. One is vowel sound and number two is consonant sound. If it is a vowel sound, then you put N, and if it is consonant sound, then put A before it. That's it. Next, here I am discussing some useful rules of using A, or you may say N, A or N. Okay. So first rule is, rule number 1. What is this? Rule number 1 is, a common noun in the singular number should have an article before it. A common noun in singular number use A or N before it. Okay, I give an example. I have seen a tiger, or the tiger, whatever you want to use. Okay, so I have seen a tiger or the tiger. So I am putting A or the before the tiger. But, or you may say lion. Okay, I give you another example with lion. So I put lion here. I have seen the or a lion. But if I using this sentence in this way, lion is a ferocious animal. Okay, so here I am not talking about only particular lion. I am here talking about the whole family of lion, the community of lion. So here you say community. But here lion is not a community. I only say that particular lion which I am talking for. Okay, so I have seen a lion. But here if I using lion is a ferocious animal. So lion is your community or common noun, but whole community. So what type of lions are? Now lions are basically ferocious animal. In the same way, if I say man, okay, so mankind, not only particular man. So man is mortal. You cannot say a man or the man, because all men are mortal. Not particular percent of man are mortal. No. So man is mortal. Understand? In the same way, nurse, cook, using the same. Okay, before nurse, before cook, you cannot using any article. But if you are using article, then it is specific. Next is your rule number 2. Suppose if I say that something means one like, Okay, sometimes means one like. Number two, rule number two, sometimes means one like. Okay, sometimes means one like. Example, he thinks that he is a Tendulkar. Okay, he thinks he is a Tendulkar. এই যে সেন্টেন্সটা আমি বলেছি হি থিংস হি যে খুব ভালো করে বুঝতে হবে এটা ওকে ইটস ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট সো টেন্ডুলকার ইজ এ পারসন we all know Tendulkar. Who is Tendulkar? Sachin Tendulkar, a great batsman in the world. Okay, the great batsman in the world. But here we are talking about that person. He thinks. So he thinks that he has the same quality of Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, suppose a person is in your team and he is a very right-handed batsman and he has all type of batting styles that Sachin Tendulkar has. Okay, no one can beat him, no bowler can beat him. His batting style is so good that no one can beat him. So he thinks in himself that he is a Tendulkar. It means the character, the quality of Tendulkar has the same quality he has. That's why he thinks he is a Tendulkar. It not means that he is Tendulkar. The quality here we are just discussing. Okay, but if I am using the here, okay, so what is the meaning then? He is the Tendulkar in our team. Okay, he is the Tendulkar in our team. What's the meaning? Here we are comparing Tendulkar and him. Okay, that's why I am using here the. He is the Tendulkar in our team. Suppose if I say that C is the Madhuri Dixit in our locality. Okay, she is the Madhuri Dixit in our locality. So here we are comparing his acting style with Madhuri Dixit. That's why we are trying to say that she is the Madhuri Dixit in our locality. Okay, got it? Next rule is some words. Suppose few, little, lot of. So before few, little, lot of, before these words you have to put a few, a little, a lot of. I give an example. There are a few apples on the table. Okay, so a few. There is a little water in the jar. So I am using a little. And also some words you have to remember that many is not many. Fever, cold. Okay, fever, cold. Fever, cold, and mistake, blunder. So before this you have to put a also. A fever. He has a fever. Okay. he has a cold. I have a mistake. I have get blunder. Okay, so in this word you also remember every time that before fever you have to put a, before cold put a, before mistake put a, before blunder put a. The next rule is, if these words are there, suppose many, such, okay, many, such, hurry, then you have to put a after it, not before. So a is followed it. Many, a. Such, a. Hurry. এরকম ভাবে হবে. In this way we have using this. Next is, sometimes we are using a as a preposition. Okay, a used as a preposition. If I say that I am hunting, so it's mean on hunting. Okay, I am hunting, or you may say I am on hunting. So in this way you using a as a preposition, or you may say that what to save me. Suppose if I say that he has paid a month. Okay, he has paid a month. It means he has paid per month. Okay, he has paid not a month, it's your per month. Then we are using a. So here a is used as a preposition. Next, sometimes we use a in exclamatory sentence. How? Suppose your exclamatory sentence starts with what? Exclamatory sentence, okay, starts with what? Then you have to put a. What a thing to say. Okay. What a great idea. So in this way you have to put it. Next rule, and it's also very important. 100 or 1000. Okay. I'll give you an example then at first. Then you have to understand what I'm trying to say. Hundreds forms okay, hundreds forms are accepted yet, or you may say that 100 forms okay, so two types of sentences are there. One is hundreds forms. So when you using hundreds, always remember that when using hundreds, so if using hundreds s is there, then you have to use of. So hundreds of forms are accepted yet. Understand? And when using 100, only 100 singular, then you have to put a or one before it. So 100 forms are accepted yet, or 100 forms are accepted yet. Always remember that. So these rules all are using of a and an. Now we are trying to discuss the use of the. When we use the name of river, name of sea, name of newspaper, name of train, okay, some historical events, all using the before it. Suppose the Ganga, okay, the Bay of Bengal, the Anandabazar Patrika, the Rajdhani Express, the French Revolution, or the Sipai Mutiny. So all using the before it. Holy books. All type of holy books. So the Gita, the Quran, the Bible, the Jindavesta. So all are using the before it. Next, suppose only one existence is there. Okay, one exists. Only one is there. Sun. So when you use sun, you have to put the before it. The sun. Okay, the earth. The moon. So the sun, the earth, the moon. Not only sun, earth or moon. It's a wrong thing. Some geographical or significant name. Geographical or significant. Suppose the Punjab, the Deccan. Okay. Again, I am using the country name. Okay. Suppose if the country name are Union, UK. So okay, UK. So UK is your United Kingdom. Then you have to put the UK or the United Kingdom. The United Arab Emirates or the UAE. So the country name. Okay. Then you put the before it. So superlative degree. When you write any superlative degree or say any superlative degree, so before superlative degree you have to put the always. So before superlative degree. He is the best boy in our class. Okay, he is the best boy in our class. So the best boy in our class. কিন্তু আমরা সাধারণত we are not generally use the before comparative degree. কিন্তু কিছু কিছু ক্ষেত্রে আমরা comparative আগে the ব্যবহার করে থাকি. How? Just see the example. He is the better from two. এই যে সেন্টেন্সটা আমি লিখেছি, he is the better from two. Here we are not saying that there is any comparison or not. We are just saying that he is best from that. Okay. So here we are just searching the best one. Not we are comparing any two persons. So he is the better from two. So better is your comparative degree. But here I am using the before comparative degree better. So when some example given you and here comparative degree is there, but you know that before comparative degree no article is there, but it's not your comparative degree then. So then you have to put the before it. Understand? or you may say some national name, some national name. Suppose if I say the English, সমান the English men, okay, the French, so in this way the English, the French, or people of France, it means people of France. So you have to put the before it. Next is your daily basis usage, not specific or not. Suppose if I give you an example, at first you see this, he, okay, he goes to the school daily. Okay, he goes to the school daily. So here I am discussing only his daily basis job, not specific. Either he is a student or either he is a teacher or non-teaching staff. So he has to go school daily basis, not specific purpose. So when you are using a daily basis job, then you not put the before this. Okay, understand? So he goes to school daily. Again, if I say he goes to the church, same way. So why we are going to church? For praying. So this is your daily basis job, not specific way. So then you have to not put the before it. So you go to church. Understand? কিন্তু ধরো তুমি কোনটা অন্যায় করেছো, okay, you commit a nuisance, and your head teacher or headmaster call your father or call your guardian. Then when your father goes to your school, so it's a specific purpose. So then your father goes to that or to this school. Understand? Next is your suppose a person, suppose the headmaster of a school, headmaster and secretary are same person. Okay, headmaster and secretary are the same person. Then you put only one the. So you say the headmaster and secretary is coming, because headmaster and the secretary are the same person. That's why I am using only one the and also use singular verb. But if the headmaster and the secretary are the other person, okay, so then you have to put both the headmaster and the secretary are coming. Understand? Then you have to put are and use both the before that particular person. Next, I give you another example. Suppose adjective with plural form. Okay, adjectives with plural form indicate whole class. Then how can you use it? If I say rich, okay, so rich person, you may say rich, okay. So rich are not always happy. So here you put the rich, it means rich class of person, okay, rich men. The rich are not happy, okay, the rich are not happy. And again, if I say that rich men, you not only using the rich, you only try to use rich men. So rich, if you use this in this way, rich men, then how can you use it? The rich men are not always happy. Okay, then you not put the before it. Only rich men are not happy. Understand? And again, if I say the rich man is not always happy, but I am here only using man, not men. Understand? The rich men are not always happy. The rich man is not always happy. Okay, the rich man. So when you try to use the rich men are not always happy. So it's your wrong sentence then. You're not using the rich man. Understand what I'm trying to say? And last portion is your musical instrument. Okay, musical instrument. If I say I play, okay, I play violin, but always use the. I play the violin. Understand? And if I say, but I have the violin, no, but I have a violin. Okay, so understand the difference. And sometimes you also use forcefully superlative degree. Shows he is the singer of the day. The singer. Okay, so he is the singer. Forcefully superlative degree. Then you also use the before it. So I hope you understand the usage of degree. How can we use the, and how can we use a and before our any sentences. And এই ক্লাসটা প্রত্যেকেরই আশা করি ভালো লাগবে এবং ভালো লেগেছে। যদি ভালো লেগে থাকে অবশ্যই আমার এই চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে, দ্য ইংলিশ বুক। সরি, ইটস নট দ্য ইংলিশ বুক, মাই ইংলিশ বুক। এই চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন এবং কমেন্ট বক্সে যদি কিছু ফিডব্যাক দেওয়ার থাকে অতি অবশ্যই কমেন্ট বক্সে আপনাদের ফিডব্যাক আমি আশা করছি। তো আজকের মধ্যে আজকের ক্লাসটা শেষ করছি। হ্যাভ এ গুড ডে, সবাই ভালো থাকুন।